Nothing says cozy fall mornings like warm, spiced baked pumpkin oatmeal. Let me show you how to make this healthy make-ahead breakfast in just a few easy steps. Ingredients: 2 cups old-fashioned rolled oats, 1½ cups milk, dairy or plant-based, 1 cup canned pumpkin puree, 1 large egg, a 1/4 cup maple syrup or honey, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, ½ teaspoon ground cinnamon, a 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional toppings: chopped pecans, pepitas, fresh berries. First, gather your ingredients: rolled oats, milk, pumpkin puree, an egg, maple syrup, baking powder, pumpkin pie spice, cinnamon, salt, and vanilla. Don't forget any optional toppings you love. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Then lightly grease or line an 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, ½ teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. In another bowl, beat 1 large egg. Stir in 1 cup of pumpkin puree, 1½ cups of milk, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Stir gently until everything is evenly combined. Then transfer the oatmeal batter into your prepared baking dish and smooth the top. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the oatmeal has set and the top is golden brown. It should spring back when lightly pressed. Let the baked oatmeal cool for 5 minutes so it firms up. Then slice into portions, perfect for grabbing on busy mornings. Top your squares with chopped pecans, pepitas, a drizzle of maple syrup, or fresh berries. Serve warm and enjoy the flavors of fall in every bite. That's it. Baked pumpkin oatmeal that's nutritious, delicious, and ready to fuel your day. Try it this week and fall in love with healthy breakfasts all over again. Remember, all ingredients and cooking instructions are listed in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy recipes.